The other day we unveiled the project to a group of friends and prospects. We always try to make a point of bringing people here to see and to witness what we are and what we do, and it helps us understand human nature and how new people see it. Because as we're building it, the homeowner's seeing it and they're fascinated at each point, and it's really cool, and they like this and they like that. But they have all these filters. Before it's done, they have all these snapshots of what they've seen. And so the overall is a conglomerate of all of these pieces. But to bring people in that have never seen it at all, and to see it for the first time, it's a fresh set of eyes and it's different. And I really enjoy that experience. I love the experience of the homeowner learning about it as we go as well. But that new fresh set of eyes, seeing something that we just have done, is a good place for me to recognize human nature and how people respond to things. Because the idea is, it's not just about fun for the homeowner, it's about the entertainment that the homeowner will have with the future people coming in. And yet at the same time, it's a really vulnerable feeling. I feel like I'm putting myself out there for people to see and maybe not like certain things that maybe I like, or they can see the fault and the mistake of something maybe that I did. And so it's a good feeling to have people see it, but it's also a little bit of a vulnerable, scary feeling, just in case they don't like it. Now, people have overwhelmingly always loved what I've done, but still on the inside there's that question of what if? What if that I didn't do it quite the way I should have, and someone notices? So it's vulnerable and cool all at the same time, but it's a great study in watching people, and that's what I spend most of my time doing, is watching people look and experience so that I can make the next experience even better. So for me, it's a learning lesson, and how can I take what I did this time and do it different, better, varied the next time.
Pretty great!
Am I on?
Yeah.
I think the pool is amazing. It has a lot of creative, artistic qualities about it.
Yes,
Very cool.
It's awesome. I told him I want one. That's
Yes.
what
We walked
Can
in,
I
she
have
said, she said, "Can I have one?"
So,
We think it looks amazing. It's very out of the ordinary. It's very simple.
it was well worth the drive coming out here. And Ask the Pool Guy, Sandy and Al are just the best. This pizza is delicious too.
This pool is more than incredible. I cannot believe it. The detail is immaculate. This is the best pool I've ever seen. It's impeccable. Great job.